All right, today we're going to take a look at two solar lights, and these are actually perfect for outdoors. They're outdoor graded. If you guys can see the top of it, it's solar panel. It just attaches to any kind of wall. There's two connections, all right? To meet main connection, you drop down the actual screw, and then you tighten it down if you want. That's an option, right? If you have a strong enough screw, it could take one screw, right? Now, the perfect thing about this, it does have motion sensor, so it saves on power. And in the day, of course, it's night to day mode. It will automatically turn off during the day. But to turn it on, it's very simple. You just hold down the button and you're going to see it. As soon as I block it out, you're going to see it. Right now, you have one mode and then you have off and on. So you got the highest brightest mode, if you can see that. And it has a motion sensor. So once you move out of the way, it actually recognizes you. All right. So motion sensor is located right below it. So the only problem with some of these lamps are that there's sound damage on the actual solar sensor. But on this one, because it's located in the bottom, it's going to last you for quite a while. The rain's not going to affect it or anything that's going to blocking it. So it's a pretty good unit, easy to set up, and you get two of them for the price of one. So here we have a light, and we're going to turn it on right now. First time turning it on, we hold on the power button. All right. Now, if you guys can see, the light turns into two different modes as soon as you walk by it. All right. Beautiful light. We're going to set these up outside right now and see how they work, how they look on the outside, because they're beautiful little lights. How bright they are. They're extremely bright. All right, with the motion sensor, right now it dims down, right? As soon as you walk close by it, I'm going to put my hand on it. If you guys can see, look how bright it becomes. So this is a little slimmed down version of the light. I like it a lot because it reflects a lot of light everywhere. Especially it's a great security light, keeping it in front of your porch or somewhere. Just make sure you have enough solar light panel because you're going to require some sun. Make sure that the sun is hitting it all the time. So real simple little light, very elegant. I hope you guys enjoy the video.